Hi, Chris. I just wanted to send you a quick video on what I've worked on since your workshop. My Algebra 2 students have a review packet they have to complete at the beginning of each year, and since we are possibly going to be online, I broke it into 3 parts and 3 days for them to work on. So, for example, day 1, giving them some direction, and then I embedded this video because I want them to watch this, and it's just a quick review of 2 problems that they have to solve. Put a little meme in there. Same thing here. Day 2 is on slope. So here I just downloaded links because they do not have to watch these are optional, just to kind of refresh their memory, but again, they don't have to do these, so I made these links rather than the actual videos. And then day 3 looks very similar. So that's it, and there's your link. All right, so that's it. Thanks for all your help, Bill.